Hello guys, welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. Today marks the start of a 3-week discount on hotel stays, points, and much more by the U.S. Travel Association they call Daily Getaways. What is this, you might be asking? Well, it's a program that offers discounts for travel experiences in limited quantities that happens once a year for about 3 weeks at a time. This year's offers are starting on April 15th, 2024, or today, and will run through May 2nd. Every weekday at 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the packages will go live for purchasing. There are limited quantities, so make sure you act fast, and if there's one you like, the best ones usually sell out immediately, so make sure you act fast. So why should you be looking at purchasing these discounts, and what are they? To sum them up pretty nicely, there are discounts on Las Vegas stays, point purchasing discounts, and theme park experiences. For these offers, I'm going to give a brief overview of each day's offer, and then at the end, we'll go back to the ones that I think have the most value. Let's take a look at the first week of giveaways. Starting off Monday today, I believe these are already sold out, but it's good to know what they had for future years. So today you have a bunch of different Hilton points packages at 50% discount, and without the discount you can usually purchase these Hilton points at a 1 cent per piece price point, but oftentimes about nearly once a month Hilton has a buy points promotion at a half cent per point, which is the same as this promo. Considering I only value Hilton points around 0.6 cents per point, this is an okay deal, and I'd really have to look for good award availability and have a really good redemption in mind that I'd be ready to book to get this deal. And I should also mention that to never buy points on speculation. I may do it on my own, but I have my own theories and reasons why I do that, and rewards programs can devalue their points every day, any day, and what that may seem like a good deal today can change in the blink of an eye. Moving to Tuesday, you have another points purchase opportunity for IHG points. Same thing as I said before with the Hilton points, don't buy them on speculation, but with IHG points I value them at 0.75 cents per point, so this is a better deal than the Hilton points. Moving on to Wednesday, you have your first experiences in Vegas that you get to book. You have 5 different opportunities to travel to Vegas. The Luxor, Cosmo, MGM Grand, New York, and Mandalay Bay all have packages available. I'll leave the details on the screen right now, but in general, it's a 2 to 3 night stay, a dinner for 2 that's paid for, a show ticket and or a massage package for 2, and a round trip transportation from the airport for 2. On Thursday of this week, or the 18th of April, there's a bunch of Universal theme park discounts on experiences and tickets. I think these are great for those who are planning on a trip to one of these places already with their family and friends, but if you don't have a trip in mind, I wouldn't look at getting these. On Friday, there are more park tickets with discounts to SeaWorld, Busch Gardens, and Discovery Cove in Florida. Moving on to week 2, Monday, April 22nd. You have more Vegas stays similar to the previous ones. They are all at MGM properties again. Details are on the screen. On Tuesday, there's a 20% discount on Marriott gift cards for $100, $250, and $500. Out of all the deals, if you're planning on staying in Marriott anytime soon, within the next year or 2 maybe, I'd plan on trying to get one of these because it's great to take $20, $50, or $100 off your bill. These will probably sell out immediately. On Wednesday, there's not much going on other than a 10,000 points for Best Western sold at a discount. On Thursday, the offers go back to Vegas with the Venetian and Palazzo offering 3-night stays. I recently stayed at the Palazzo for 3 nights, and I can say I paid less than what these deals cost for a 2-queen room. Now, I believe these deals are for the Venetian only, and I would say the Palazzo is a nicer stay. So maybe there's a value in the Grand 1 suite because it's a bigger room and it's got more space, but out of all the Vegas offers, I think you should stay the furthest away from this one. On Friday of week 2, April 26th, you have all the Caesars operated properties in Vegas along with a few in Reno or Atlantic City with discounts similar to the MGM ones. Remember, these are in limited quantities, also come with dinner and a few other activities. Rounding out week 3, you have 3 different chances to buy points from different hotel brands. First one is Choice Privilege points on Monday. On Tuesday, you get the World of Hyatt points, which could be a good deal because World of Hyatt always has good value for their points, and Wyndham Rewards on Wednesday. Now that we've covered all the offers, here's which promotions that I think are the best to target. First off, I think the number one deal to target is the Marriott Bonvoy e-gift card. Buying a $500 gift card for $400 is a no-brainer, especially if you have a trip coming up and it's going to be at a Marriott property. The second offer, which is I guess in a way a group of offers, is 3 offers to take a trip to Vegas. I believe specifically the Cosmo, the Mandalay Bay, and the Bellagio packets all have great value from MGM when it comes to the room, the tickets to a show, the expensive dinners included, and the couples massages. They are the most expensive options, but it comes with what I believe is great value for Vegas. You're getting the best rooms in Vegas, you're getting great views, you're getting long massages, you're getting big dinner credits. I'm not saying that the other Vegas opportunities are not good, I'm just saying these are the best ones in my eyes. The third and final offer I'd look at is the purchasing of IHG points. Due to me holding the IHG Premier Rewards card and getting that 4th night free perk from the Platinum status that's automatically granted with the card. By the way, if you didn't know what the 4th night free is, it's if you pay for points for 3 nights, you get a 4th night free. And this happens due to the status you have with hotel brand. Marriott and Hilton do similar things for 5th night free. Whether it's a Wednesday through Sunday trip to Miami Beach, part of a longer itinerary in Europe, which I am in fact doing the 4th night free at the Kimpton in a couple weeks, which I'll leave a review on the channel in a couple weeks more, or a trip to the Caribbean. When I book with IHG points, I try to take advantage of that 4th night free because it can regularly help me get above that 0.5 cent per point value that you buy them at, and oftentimes up to 1 cent per point, and just helps me save money when I'm looking to travel. So wrapping things up, I just want to say thank you for watching, and if you could like and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Being a small channel makes every single interaction on the channel even more meaningful. Also, comment down below, are you going to try to get any of these offers? If so, which ones? Love to hear what you have to say. That's all from me. Have a great day.